Hello. Thank you for joining me and welcome along to our latest look on a rather wintry scene for the British Isles over the next few days. I suspect it is going to stay cold both by day and by night. There will be some problems around with frost, ice and some patchy fog. And come Friday we'll be talking about significant disruptive snow for many parts of the British Isles. This is the way that we close out Wednesday. Cold once that sun dips away. Thickening cloud just bringing some rain, perhaps a wee bit of sleetiness about proceedings in towards the far west of Scotland. That's certainly going to be the way of it across Northern Ireland. But elsewhere, cold, that's the main theme. Dry for the most part, one or two coastal showers still. The fog, which never did clear across the eastern side of England in spots, just likely to thicken up with time during the course of the night. All the while we'll keep this frontal system just out towards the west, the blanket of cloud just helping to keep those temperatures up a touch. Do watch out for just one or two showers through these eastern areas. The fog will be really quite dense. Those are the towns and city temperatures. In the countryside it will be much colder than that yet again, as was the case last night. Often running into Thursday, watch out for the pockets of fog. All the while we'll just have this band of weather just sitting out towards the western side of the British Isles. May just produce a wee bit of snow for parts of Wales and the high ground in Northern Ireland and the high ground in the far west of Scotland. Now, the mild air has always been there, but the problem comes by Friday that it will want to make inroads into the cold air. It doesn't really displace it. The cold air, dense, sitting there, this mild, moist air riding up over the top. And that's the problem, because we will have a conversion of rain in towards these western parts into snow, and we already have an early warning, an amber warning at that, for this disruptive snow. We could well be talking, even at low levels, around 5 to 10 centimetres of snow as it works its way out of Cornwall, out of the western side of Wales, so as it comes inland against that cold weather. So that's where we see this conversion, and with time it'll spread its way ever further towards the north and east. So there's a lot going on, especially late Thursday on into Friday. Keep abreast of the forecast because, as I say, that weather will be highly disruptive.